We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for Love Island insights. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website, which is chatopenai.com. Once there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see the chat interface where you can start engaging with ChatGPT. To get Love Island insights, simply type a question or prompt related to the show into the chat box. For example, you might ask for a summary of the latest episode, predictions on which couple might win, or even insights into the dynamics between certain contestants. ChatGPT is designed to give you comprehensive and engaging responses, leveraging its vast database of information up to the current year. If you want more detailed analysis, you can ask follow-up questions or request specific topics like contestant background or challenges faced. Remember to be specific with your questions to get the most relevant information. Additionally, ChatGPT can also provide fun trivia or insights on past seasons if you're interested in a more historical perspective. Don't hesitate to explore various angles by asking different types of questions to enhance your viewing experience. This tool is a great way to dive deeper into the world of Love Island and keep up with all the drama and excitement. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.